Welcome to our presentation on AI in supply chain, logistics, and manufacturing. Today, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing these critical sectors. Here's an overview of what we'll cover. An introduction to AI in business operations, AI in supply chain management, logistics and transportation, manufacturing operations, and AI-powered warehouse management. Let's begin with an introduction to AI in business operations. We'll discuss how AI is transforming various business processes and driving efficiency. Overview of AI's role. AI significantly enhances data analysis capabilities, allowing businesses to process vast amounts of information quickly. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, organizations can derive insights that inform strategic decisions, improving overall operational efficiency and responsiveness to market changes. The adoption of AI technologies enables companies to streamline their processes, reducing manual intervention and minimizing errors. This leads to substantial savings in operational costs while accelerating productivity through automation and intelligent resource allocation. Key benefits and challenges. AI introduces exponential benefits, including increased efficiency in workflow management and significant cost reductions. Companies can optimize resource utilization, reduce delivery times, and enhance customer satisfaction by utilizing intelligent algorithms for better planning and execution. While the benefits are substantial, businesses face challenges such as high initial setup costs and ongoing maintenance expenses. Additionally, concerns around data security and privacy can hinder the effective implementation of AI, necessitating robust cybersecurity measures. Real-world applications. Numerous industries have harnessed AI with impressive results. For example, major retail chains have implemented AI-driven inventory management systems that dynamically adjust stock levels based on predictive analytics, reducing waste and optimizing sales. AI is reshaping global markets by enabling more agile supply chains and facilitating cross-border trade efficiency. Companies leveraging AI tools are gaining a competitive advantage, responding faster to consumer demands and optimizing their market strategies. Next, we'll delve into AI in supply chain management. We'll explore how AI is improving demand forecasting, inventory optimization, and supplier relationship management. Demand forecasting. AI enhances demand forecasting accuracy by analyzing historical sales data alongside external market variables. This predictive capability allows businesses to anticipate customer needs, resulting in better stock management and reduced overproduction. Blue Yonder employs advanced machine learning algorithms to generate accurate demand forecasts. Its solutions enable businesses to align inventory levels with anticipated demand, optimizing supply chain operations and enhancing overall efficiency. Inventory optimization. AI techniques such as real-time analytics and automated decision-making assist in inventory management by identifying optimal stock levels. These techniques minimize carrying costs and reduce stock-outs, ensuring that products are available when needed. Oracle SCM Cloud integrates AI capabilities to automate and optimize inventory processes. Its predictive analytics feature provides insights into inventory turnover rates, enabling organizations to make informed stocking decisions. Supplier relationship management. AI aids in evaluating supplier performance by analyzing data across multiple parameters such as delivery times and quality metrics. This data-driven approach helps businesses foster stronger relationships with reliable suppliers while identifying areas for improvement. Llamasoft leverages AI to enhance supplier relationship management by providing tools that analyze supplier data for risk assessment and performance optimization, ensuring the supply chain remains resilient and efficient. Now, let's explore AI in logistics and transportation. We'll look at how AI is optimizing route planning, real-time tracking, and autonomous delivery systems. Route optimization. AI-powered route optimization solutions analyze traffic patterns, weather conditions, and delivery schedules to determine the most efficient paths. This helps reduce fuel consumption and delivery times, ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction. Optimo Route offers advanced algorithms to create optimized delivery routes in real time. Its user-friendly platform allows logistics managers to adjust routes dynamically based on changing circumstances, improving overall efficiency. Real-time tracking and predictive analytics. Real-time tracking powered by AI provides visibility into the shipment process. Businesses can monitor progress and receive alerts on delays, enabling proactive decision-making and improved supply chain transparency. Forekites provides a comprehensive tracking platform that integrates predictive analytics to forecast potential delays and enhance supply chain communication among all stakeholders. Autonomous delivery systems. Advancements in AI and machine learning have paved the way for autonomous delivery systems. These technologies are transforming last-mile delivery by optimizing routes and reducing dependency on human drivers, thus enhancing efficiency. Clear Metal utilizes AI to manage inventory and automate delivery networks. Its autonomous logistics solutions allow companies to optimize their operations for both efficiency and scalability, particularly in growing urban environments. Next, we'll discuss AI in manufacturing operations. We'll cover predictive maintenance, quality control, and robotics in production. Predictive maintenance. AI facilitates predictive maintenance by analyzing equipment performance data. This approach enables manufacturers to predict potential failures before they occur, minimizing downtime and extending machinery lifespan. IBM Watson IoT provides comprehensive predictive maintenance tools that allow manufacturers to monitor equipment health and predict maintenance needs, thereby enhancing operational reliability and reducing costs. Quality control and defect detection. AI-based computer vision systems can detect defects in products at high speed and accuracy during the manufacturing process. This significantly reduces the rate of faulty products reaching the market. Bonti AI employs computer vision technology to inspect products in real time, ensuring quality control by identifying defects and recommending immediate corrective actions to maintain production standards. Robotics and automation in production. Smart robotics, fueled by AI, are enhancing manufacturing capabilities through automation of repetitive tasks. These robots are designed to adapt to changes in their environment, improving productivity and flexibility in production lines. Siemens MindSphere leverages AI to connect manufacturing equipment and analyze data, optimizing production processes and enabling smart decision-making through advanced analytics. Finally, we'll explore AI-powered warehouse management. We'll discuss automated picking and sorting, warehouse layout optimization, and inventory replenishment. Automated picking and sorting. AI-driven automated systems enhance the efficiency of picking and sorting processes in warehouses. These systems reduce human error, speed up order fulfillment, and ensure timely delivery to customers. Locus Robotics offers autonomous mobile robots that work collaboratively in warehouses to improve picking efficiency and accuracy, significantly reducing the time needed for order fulfillment. Smart warehouse layout optimization. AI technologies enable the design of optimal warehouse layouts that maximize space utilization. This ensures efficient storage and quick access to inventory, significantly improving overall operational efficiency. Zebra Technologies provides solutions for smart warehouse layout designs. By utilizing AI for spatial analysis, businesses can create layouts that enhance workflow and reduce operational bottlenecks. AI-driven inventory replenishment. AI-driven inventory replenishment systems analyze consumption patterns and forecast future needs. This predictive capability ensures that stock levels are maintained, enabling businesses to meet customer demands without overstocking. Logi Next utilizes AI to automate inventory replenishment processes, providing businesses with real-time insights into stock levels and trends to effectively manage supply and demand efficiently. Thank you for joining us in exploring the impact of AI in supply chain, logistics, and manufacturing. We hope you found this presentation informative and insightful.